Let us continue with question number 19. N into n plus 1 into n plus 5 is a multiple of 3. Here students, once again we are making the use to solve such type of the question with the help of PMI. So let us come with the step number 1, that is n as equal to 1. So what you will say students, P of 1, this is 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 5, or it will come as 2 into 5 plus 1 is 6, that is equal to 12. You see that 12 is the multiple of 3. Therefore what we can say that P of n is true for n that is equal to 1. This is our step number 1. Come with step number 2, that is n that is equal to k. So P of k, we will say let P of k is true, that is n is equal to k, where k belongs to natural number. So we can say that P of k such that k into k plus 1 into k plus 5, let this as equal to, because here it is given to you as the multiple of 3. So we will let it as equal to 3 lambda, where lambda belongs to integer. This is the changing in these questions students. So let us come with the step number 3, where we shall prove that n is equal to k plus 1 is true. So what you will say students, you will say that P of k plus 1, that is, make the changing here, this k will come as k plus 1, this is k plus 1 plus 1, that is k plus 2, this will come as k plus 1 plus 5, that is k plus 6. Now we will solve it. We will make the use of step number 2 here, that is I have let it as equal to 3 lambda, and we can solve it that n is equal to k plus 1 is also true students. So let us see what I am doing here. This is k plus 1 into k plus 2. I will break this as k plus 5 plus 1 students. Now in the next step what I am doing, this is k plus 1, this is 1. I will multiply it now. K plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 5, right? Plus k plus 1 into k plus 2. This is very important to understand here. We will break it students. We will multiply these two factors with k plus 1, then again these two factors with the 1 here. So now what I am doing, actually I have to make this one here students, k into k plus 1 plus k plus 2. So for that what I have to do, I will take this k outside, I will multiply it by k plus 1 into k plus 2. First of all I have multiplied by k, then with the 2 into k plus 1 into k plus 5 plus k plus 1 into k plus 2 as it is. Right students? Now what you will see, here is the 5. So what you will see students, this is k into k plus 1 into k plus 5. Here you see that we will put this value as equal to 3 lambda. So it will come as 3 lambda plus, here what I am doing, this is k plus 1, here is also k plus 1, k plus 1 is common, and 2 into k plus 1 means 2k plus 5 2s are 10 plus, this is k plus 2 students. Now after that this is equal to 3 lambda. Now this is k plus 1 students, into this will come as 3k plus 12. 2k plus k, this is 3k, 10 plus 2, that is equal to 12. Now here what I am doing, this is 3 lambda into k plus 1. Now students, notable point is there, 3 is also common there. So it will come as k plus 3 4s are 12. 3 is also common there. What I am doing at the last step, I am taking 3 as the common. From there 3, here it is lambda plus, what is left there, k plus 1 into k plus 4 students. Now what we have achieved, that 3 is common there, means this is the multiple of, this is the multiple of 3. Our target is there. We have to check that in every step, step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, the term that we are getting, that is the multiple of 3. Therefore, what we can say, that P of n is true for n that is equal to k plus 1. This is our solution, students. Let us come with question number 20. 10 its power is 2n minus 1 plus 1 is divisible by 11. We have to solve it by using PMI, students, where we can say that n is a natural number. So let us come with the step number 1, that is n is equal to 1. So what you will say, students, 10 its power is 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 plus 1 means 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. What do you say about 11? It is divisible by 11 is divisible by 11. Therefore, what you will say that P of n is true for n that is equal to 1. This is our step number 1. Come with step number 2. Let P of k is true. Here we write P of n is true for n is equal to k. So what you will say, students, you will say that P of k such that 10 its power is 2k minus 1 plus 1, and we will let it as equal to, because here it is the divisible by 11, so we will let it as equal to 11 lambda, as earlier I have done in the last question. That is, lambda belongs to integer. So we can write it as 10 its power is 2k minus 1. This is equal to 11 lambda minus 1. This is our second step, students. We will use it in the third step. So let us come in step number 3. That is n that is equal to k plus 1. So what you will say here, you will say that P of k plus 1, that is 10, while you will make, student, it as equal to 10 its power is, at the place of n you will write it as 2k plus 2 it will come. So what you will say? You will say that 2k plus 2 minus 1 means it will come as 2k plus 1 plus 1. It will come from here, from the second step, third step. Now student, what I am doing here, because I have to make it as 10 its power is 2k minus 1. Here in the second step, this is 10 its power is 2k minus 1. So I will make the changing here. How I can write it now? 10 its power is 2k minus 1 into 10 its power is 2. This is very important to understand, students. This is the way to break it. I will break it. Again, if you will solve it, 10 its power is 2k minus 1 and 10 its power is 2. 2 minus 1, again 1 will come and you will get 2k plus 1, right? But here, now we can use the step number 2 from where we can put the value. So it will come as, now its value is 11 lambda minus 1 into 10 its power 2, that is 100 plus 1, students. Now it will come as, we will multiply it 1100 lambda minus 100 plus 1, and this is 1100 lambda minus 99 students, and we have achieved our target, but that 11 is common there. If 11 is common, 100 lambda minus 9 students, what you can say? Now you can say that it is divisible by 11. It is divisible by 11. Therefore, we can say that P of n is true for n that is equal to k plus 1. So this is the solution, students. This is the way. These are the different type of the question where this step is very important, students. Keep in your mind. From here, from the second step, we will take the value, and that value we will put here, and after that 11 is coming common there. This is our target. Therefore, we can say that P of n is true for n is equal to k plus 1.